Hi guys, I'm here to quickly show you how to post in the discussions boards, as well as going back to Monday where you had to post a find the mistake problem. So here I am on Monday, and I'm going to go down to the discussion board. We click there, and then to start a new thread, you click the start a new thread to post your mistake. So on this discussion board, you are posting a problem with a mistake, kind of like you saw in the Google Docs. So we'll type in, and I'm just going to type in some stuff here. So that would be kind of something like lithium fluoride is a covalent bond. I'm going to post, and then I'm going to find someone else, and I'm going to look at theirs, and then I'm going to reply to their thread as well. And then I'm going to post there. So you're going to have the same process throughout the week when you're going to your discussion boards, and that's actually almost every single day. Thank you. Please join into the Zoom sessions. There will be a Zoom session live next week for class, so please make sure you join me. We are learning new material every single day. Thank you. If you have any questions, reach out to me through Remind or email. Have a great day and stay safe and stay inside.